Hello and welcome. Congratulations on choosing the JAS Stainless Steel 304 Water Purifier. Now let's get it installed. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it looks. Just follow these easy steps and you'll have it up and running in no time. This is a quick demonstration to guide you through the process. For complete step-by-step details and usage instructions, everything is clearly explained in the instruction manual provided.
Part 1, Understanding the Kit.
All right.
Let's begin by getting familiar with your installation kit. Inside the box, you'll find the inlet pipe in case you're connecting it to an RO setup, screws and drill bits for mounting a tap, 2 connectors. Take a quick moment to identify each item. 2 connectors. Take a quick moment to identify each item. Now that you've understood the kit, let's move ahead. Part 2, Making Connections. Turn the purifier around. At the back of the water purifier, you'll find 2 pre-filters. The first pre-filter has a pipe and push it into the pre-filter pipe until you hear a click sound. That click is important. Pipe and push it into the pre-filter pipe until you hear a. So make sure it is firmly pressed. Now, the other end of the inlet pipe needs to be connected to the connector in the same way. Push it in firmly until you hear the click sound again. This connector will now be connected to your main water source. Next, move to the second pre-filter and connect it firmly to this pipe just the way you did with the previous pipes. Push it in until you hear the click. This is your RO outlet or reject pipe, and it can be left in the sink or stored separately for other household purposes. Now, wondering how to remove a pipe if needed? It's simple. To release the pipe, push the circular disc. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3, Fixing the tap. At the front of the purifier, you'll see a hole at the bottom provided for the tap. The tap already has Teflon tape attached, but in case you need more, upright into the hole and rotate it clockwise until it is completely tightened. Make sure it's secure and upright. And just like that. Part 4, Understanding Fitting Options. Now let's talk about placement. The kit includes 2 screws and 2 drill bits. Our purifier are wall mounted. It's completely up to you and your convenience. If you choose wall mounting, there are 2 holes provided at the back of the purifier. Fire carefully. Do make sure to read the instruction, exact measurements, and important precautions before drilling. Hang on. You can now peel off the protective sheet. That finishing touch always feels good. Then connect the purifier to a power source using the plug provided at the back. 2 LED indicators are provided to help you understand the working status of the purifier. That finishing touch always feels good. Then connect the purifier. I just want her to read out whatever I'm pasting below. Part 1, Understanding the Kit. All right, let's begin by getting familiar with your installation. Part 1, Understanding the Kit. All right. Let's begin by getting familiar with your installation kit. Well done. You now have your water purifier successfully installed and running. We suggest reading the instruction manual before and during the installation process, as it contains all safety precautions and in-depth details. Enjoy your experience of purity, health, and sustainability with JAS.